know what it is.
I took care of that thing.
Huh?
I took care of it.
Forget about this.
Yeah, I am.
You just forget about this.
Yes, I did.
What was everything good?
You know, only.
Sure. Yeah. No socks, see?
Nope.
Except for the change check.
No one does.
Huh?
No one does.
Except for
You and I.
and pasta.
Yes.
I'm not the one that's upstairs practically all the time. I wouldn't worry about all this. No one needs. It's not it. In case there's something like I don't know. Come on, fingers. Yeah, I just want to do something else.
Yeah.
Wow, she's poorly grown.
Yeah.
I would never freak out.
The name of water, or is it good? Is the name of water, or is it good?
I would never blame you. I just wanted to let them know the truth. I would never trick like that. Sakes, no. Yes, they're both June babies. You were born June 25th, 1988. Right?
Right.
June 24th, 1984. That's
Is the name of water, or is it good?
you just like actually it's good. Just let it explain. Bamboo. You're taking care of bamboo.
Yeah. Oh.
I love you.
Oh, too.
Like, see if you on Pinterest, you'll find the real deal. See the clock like right there? Okay.
Yes.
See the clock right there, Shay?
Yes.
On Pinterest, you will find the real deal.
Oh.
Where'd you get that?
I don't know.
Oh, I love it. Did you buy that?
Yes.
You don't use a shovel?
I will when it snows.
When winter cannot be over yet.
No.
No. Winter can't be over yet. Ignore that. That wasn't even my real birthday. Lord knows the fuck that was. When you saw me. I was born on June 24th, 1980. How do they know that?
No.
Look at my non-driver's ID. June 24th, 1985. June 25th, 1983. Who was born before though?
You.
Yeah. You think I wanted that? No. Why me? I don't know. Anyway. Move it.
It needs a fresh air in here.
Whoa.
Go ahead.
Got it.
It's turn the heat down and
Here, keep this. You see these? You may want to keep these for, I can take that. I don't know what this is. Keep these lights over here.
yeah.
That's what this is for.
I know.
Put them right back on. That's like,
Just open the window.
I'm gonna let you do this. Push out of the way. My butt talks. Get it? Butt
Yeah.
I can read myself. Oh, good, I can. Good, good, good.
Yeah.
Mom's trying to sleep.
Yep.
Is that better? I didn't need to. I love my husband.
My wife.
Like, when can you get more clothes? For me. Huh?
No.
Ever?
Ever.
You never met here.
No.
You didn't go there.
Never.
Kick in last night.
I did.
Good night. Be right back for a minute.
Sure.
Should go walk.